How to add custom domain to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about Shopify. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course you're going to log in into your Shopify account. After doing that, you're going to click on settings on the bottom left over here. And as you can see here on the left side, we have a lot of options you can edit your settings of. Now you're simply going to look for the domains option. Over here we have domains. You're simply going to click that. And in this section, this is where you will be able to buy or connect a domain into your Shopify store. If you want to buy a domain, you're simply going to click on buy new domain over here, and you would be able to type in the domain name that you would like to have, and you would be able to purchase it directly on Shopify. If you already have a domain, you can simply click on connect existing domain over here, and you're going to type in the domain that you already have, and you would be able to transfer it to Shopify as you can see here below. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.